never goes too well before coffee, so now we're about 2 hours into our 4-hour drive to Halong Bay.
Because we are going on an overnight cruise with Signature Cruises.
Yay!
These people. After watching some of our videos, a lot of people might consider us budget travelers, but I like to think of it as like money savvy travelers. So we save money in some areas so we can splurge on other memorable experiences. So we stayed at the Hilton for free using points, and now we're splurging on this overnight cruise because Halong Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it's supposed to be amazing.
I didn't know that. We're gonna be doing this for the next 2 days and we can't wait.
Time to get back on the bus. It took us a little under 4 hours to get to Halong Bay. I have to say I was kind of dreading that ride because we've had a lot of bad long van rides, but that was definitely the nicest van that we've been transported in, and the ride was flat and smooth, unlike some of the crazy curvy mountain roads that we've been on in the past few months. So we made it, and I think the plan is to get on a small boat that is then gonna take us to the cruise ship.
Look at this view. Yay!
First things first, have to open all of the windows.
This is crazy.
Oh, we have a balcony.
No, we don't.
We do.
There's robes. I think we need to book like a 5-night cruise. This is so nice.
This is the first balcony that we've had on our entire trip.
Yay!
What a better place to have your first balcony. And I just love being outside. I might just sleep out here tonight. These look pretty comfy. Whoa. Carrie, have you looked in the bathroom yet?
No.
We have like our own private hot tub. The toilet even has buttons like the one in Tokyo. Oh, don't spray me.
Nate, you have to leave the balcony for a minute. We have to eat lunch.
Don't make me do it.
Come on.
I love it out here.
I love to eat.
Look at the rocks.
This is amazing. First up is seafood soup. I do not think we're going to be disappointed with the food on this trip.
I'm gonna say it doesn't get much fresher than that. Seafood here that comes from there. Thank you very much. I have no clue how to eat this. I think I'll just start with this. I'm very light. Lots of lime and cilantro. It might be papaya salad.
Perfect.
I've heard some people suck the heads of these. I don't think so. I don't think it's bad. So good. I really butchered that one. That was not papaya salad.
We've been wanting to try Vietnamese spring rolls since we got here, and we haven't been able to find them. I assume I use both of these sauces.
Thai or Vietnamese spring rolls?
You can't do that to me. These are really good.
Enjoy.
Yummy.
That looks amazing.
I think we just got to the main course. According to the menu, sea bass sprinkled in tamarind sauce served with fragrant rice and vegetable. That's really good.
Can't go wrong with tamarind sauce. We need to take a food coma.
Yeah.
We have 20 minutes for a nap before we get to the fishing village.
Okay.
This is quickly turning into one of those times I can't set the camera down. The views just keep getting better. We just finished about a 30-minute sail. I sat outside and enjoyed the views, and did you enjoy those views on the way to the fishing village?
We just got to a floating fishing village.
We're gonna get rowed around on a rowboat to see the village, and then after that we're going to a pearl farm.
What is that?
I think they grow pearls.
Cool.
Here we go.
This village is located in Baichulong Bay. From here to China is 3 hours by speedboat, very fast. Southeast oyster make very nice pearl in 2 colors, so white and yellow.
Whoa.
Oh, very beautiful. And the boat ride through the floating fishing village was the most calm and quiet 30 minutes of my life.
You could only hear the oars dipping in the water. It was like you felt guilty for talking and ruining it for everybody
And it was
else.
so pretty. It was so cool.
It was nothing like this racket that's going on behind us right now. And then they brought us here and they showed us how pearls were made, which was actually much more interesting than I thought it would be.
I'm gonna go pick out my pearls now.
No, she's not. Normally, I keep my expectations pretty low for like group tour type stuff, but that was fantastic. It highly exceeded my expectations.
And now we're back and we get to enjoy our balcony for like an hour until our cooking class.
Sarah's currently making the biggest spring roll in the boat. You can only roll yours once because it's so big.
Okay, stop.
I'm pretty good at making spring
Time for dinner. This is the most impressive plating that I've seen yet.
Today has been such a blast on this cruise. Dinner was amazing. And now Nate is going fishing for squid on the back of the boat. As much fun as that sounds, this huge bathtub is calling my name.
Nice. Oh my, that's the big one.
Yeah? I've been fishing for a total of 1 minute.
Squid man, dang. Doing? Oh, you squid man.
Change color.
Yeah, it's much darker.
Camouflage.
Oh, is he squirting ink right now?
Right. Is it colors just changing?
Wow.
You squid man! I'm gonna send it to the kitchen.
Tonight?
Yeah?
Yeah, I think gonna boil it.
I think they just cooked one and brought it to Kara up in the room.
Did you catch squid?
Do you have anything?
She brought it to me. I was about to come find you. It's right here.
Yes!
So I get up, and it's one of the staff, and she said, Nate catch a lot. And handed this to me. How cool is that?
I'm apparently a professional squid fisherman. I caught 10.
Of course you did.
I literally pulled this out of the ocean myself 20 minutes ago.
Looks a little inky in there still.
That's a fresh one. Can't see it now because they've inked up the bucket, but I'm up to 6 squid. And everybody seems to think this is very humorous. He's smaller than my hook. Hey, quit that. She thinks the bidet is on a timer, but really you have to turn it off, so she's just gonna sit there and it's gonna spray her bird until she figures out how to turn it off. Oh, she figured it out. That didn't take too long.